This video documents shot blasting to remove grinding dust. Concrete grinding dust becomes embedded in a slab's surface pores. These small cavities are the same openings a coating is meant to use for its adhesion. Shot blasting removes this dust. The process opens a slab by agitating the surface under negative pressure. This happens as the machine passes over the surface. The process is as simple as turning the machine on and walking parallel paths. Similar to mowing grass, the color change makes it easy to see where the machine has been. The process is self-contained and dustless. All that's needed in addition to the machine is a suitable dust collector. The machine does the work and the vacuum collects the dust. The operator simply pushes the machine, keeping it on a straight track. And that's about it. Shot blasting to remove grinding dust.